Do your knees hurt when you squat? Or maybe you feel like you'll lose your balance and fall over backwards. Many seniors are told that they shouldn't do squats because it's bad for their knees or bad for their back. But the truth is, squatting is an essential activity to daily living to be able to pick things up off the floor, get things from underneath counters, or even to be able to get up from a chair or get off the toilet. In this video, I'll show you one simple tip to help you squat more comfortably and more confidently. So the exercise that we're going to be doing in this video is just a slow, controlled, mindful squat. And by doing this, you'll become aware of where your body weight is centered at every point in the squat so that you'll always be confident of how to get back up safely without having pain. To do this, it's a good idea to have something behind you to sit down on, either a chair or a stool, so that if you happen to lose your balance, you can sit down safely. Now, I'm going to use a stool to demonstrate, but use whatever height sitting surface is best for your physical abilities. You'll start out by finding a position of your feet that's either hips width or slightly wider apart. For most people, your toes will probably be turned out a little bit, or for some, straight ahead may feel better. But find the position that feels most comfortable for you, and then just push your hips back a little bit, unlock the knees, and go into just a very shallow squat. Now in this position, you're going to experiment with where your body weight is. So go backwards on your heels a little bit, forwards towards your toes a little bit, and find the position where you feel most balanced. Once you've found that, experiment with your knee position. Come inwards a little bit, come outwards a little bit, and find the position where you feel most stable. Now slowly start to drop your bottom down a little bit farther, and in each position, kind of stop for a moment, make micro adjustments, forwards, backwards, side to side, knees in and out, to find where you feel the most stable. Think about pushing the floor down with your feet, and even though you're descending, think about keeping your heels grounded on the ground as you're going down. Now, only go as deep with this as you feel comfortable going. For some, that may only be a very small squat. For others, it'll be a significantly deeper squat. But just go down slowly, being mindful of where your weight is over top of your feet. Keep your feet grounded into the floor. Keep pushing the floor down with your heels. And just go to a depth that you feel comfortable going. If you happen to experience some knee pain when doing this, shift your weight a little bit to see if you can relieve it. If you can't, just come back up. So slowly lower down, keep your heels grounded down into the floor, pushing the floor away from you. Slowly lower down. Once you find a depth that you feel comfortable doing, or the limit of where you feel comfortable, just come back up, pushing the floor down again. I'm going to show this from the side as well. So start out in a very shallow squat, hips back just a little bit, knees unlocked, and then slowly start to drop your bottom down, keeping the heels grounded through the floor. Shift forwards a little bit, shift backwards a little bit. Find where your center of gravity is balanced over top of your feet. Slowly lower. And just keep lowering down slowly as far as you can comfortably. Again, pushing the floor away from you with your heels. Once you hit that bottom position, then drive back up through your heels, pushing yourself back up. And do as many repetitions as you can with that until you get tired. I will tell you, since you're going very slowly, it's probably not going to be a lot of repetitions for most people. Even if you only can do 5 reps or less, your legs will be feeling it and you'll get a good workout, and that's what's important. Now, after you've mastered a bodyweight squat, you will eventually want to add some weight. And to learn some leg strengthening exercises with dumbbells, check out this video over here. But before you go, if you found this one helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.